Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of Lexica AI. So first of all, open your browser, then type in your browser lexica.art. Hit enter. Now once you're at the website, you will have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and after you're done with that, you will be at the home page like this. Now on the home page, you can search for different images and copy their prompts by just clicking on that photo and just clicking on copy the prompt and use them to create your own pictures. Now in the generate window, you can create your own pictures by just simply putting in the prompts, negative prompts. You can change the dimensions as well. In the history tab right here, you will see all the images that you generated using Lexica. Now in the likes window right here, you will see all the images that you liked. For example, let me go back to home, scroll down. Like let's say I like this photo. You can just click here to like that photo, and that photo will move to the likes window. Like this photo was moved here. Now in the accounts menu, we have the membership plans. You can choose how you want your plans to be, like they cannot be monthly plans or yearly plans. Well, you save 20% on yearly plans. In the starter pack, you get 1000 fast generations per month, no slow generations, 2 parallel fast generations, commercial license, and images are public, which means that the images that you generate using Lexica will be shown to other Lexica users on the homepage. While Pro provides you with 3000 fast generations per month, 3 parallel fast generations, commercial license, and images are also public. While in the Max, you get 7000 fast generations per month, unlimited slow generations, 3 parallel fast generations, commercial license, and the images that you make will be kept private. And on the free plan, as you can see here, you can create 16 images per month, which will be reset at the first of every month. So now we're going to go back to the home page, search for some images, copy their prompt, and use those prompts for making our own pictures. Like let's say Spider-Man. Hit enter. Scroll down, like let's say I like this photo right here. Just click on that photo and click on copy prompt. Now, if you scroll down here, you can also see the model that was used in producing that photo, the guidance scale, the dimensions of the photo, and how much was it upscaled to. So I'm just gonna go back, go to the generate window right here, just paste that prompt here. You can also type in the negative prompt. You can change the dimensions from here. For example, if you want the picture to be a portrait, you can move it to the right side. If you want it to be a landscape photo, you can move it to the left side. I'm gonna make it a portrait. Now in the advanced settings right here, you have the guidance scale, that how much the generator will follow the guidance, which means the prompt you provided to it. After that, just simply let it generate. So here, as you can see, it has provided me with a total of 4 photos. Now, if you like a photo and you want to create similar photos, you can just do so by just clicking on this create variations button. So as you guys can see, it has given variations of that same picture. Now you can download the picture by just clicking on this download button on the top left side, and your image will be downloaded. Now you can also use the image to image feature in lexica.art. Just click on this upload image button. I'm just gonna choose, let's say, this picture right here, and your photo will be uploaded here. After that, I'm just gonna remove this prompt here and I'm gonna put in, let's say, make make her a Jedi. With that, I'm just gonna put in some negative prompt as well. This hands double faced. With that, I'm just gonna click on generate. So as you guys can see, it has made her wear a Jedi suit. So and I quite like this one, so I'm just gonna click on download and just download the photo. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, and that was a quick walkthrough of Lexica AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.